Hi, in this video we'll understand about stateful and stateless widgets and how to create them in your Flutter application. Flutter is a great framework for creating cross-platform mobile applications. One of the key features of Flutter is its widget system. Flutter widgets are the building blocks of your user interface. They are lightweight and efficient and can be used to create complex and beautiful user interfaces. Stateful widgets are widgets that maintain their state over time. This means that they can remember information from one moment to the next. For example, a stateful widget might remember the user's current location in a map application. Stateless widgets, on the other hand, do not maintain the state over time. This means that they must be recreated each time they are needed. For example, a stateless widget might be used to display a list of items. Each time the list is displayed, the widget will be recreated from scratch. Stateful widgets are typically used for things like user interfaces that need to remember information from one moment to the next. Stateless widgets are typically used for things like user interfaces that do not need to remember information when moving from one moment to the next. To create stateful widget, you need to use the state class. This class provides a way to store information about your widget. You can then use this information to create a widget that remembers its state over time. On the other hand, stateless widgets do not need to use the state class. This is because stateless widgets do not need to remember information from one moment to the next. Now let's move over to our editor and see how we can create stateless as well as stateful widgets. We can see, like, if I name this app my app stateless. So this is a stateless widget which is extending the stateless widget. Now let's create another stateful widget. So I can simply type stf and let's say my app stateful. So we can see this uses the state widget. So in this way we can create the stateless as well as the stateful widgets.